How to cancel Postmates order. Now, if you wish to cancel a Postmates order, all you have to do is, first of all, it depends upon how long has it been since you have placed the order, because sometimes the restaurant might have already prepared your order and have used some kind of resources, and in that case your order might not be cancelable. And indeed, if it is also cancelable, then it is most likely that you are going to incur a certain amount of fee. Now, for that case, what you can do is, first of all, once you launch the Postmates app, tap on the account icon from the bottom right, and therein you'll find an option that says orders. When you go to the orders tab, you will be able to see a list of orders that you have currently placed, and from there you'll see whether or not it is cancelable. If it's not cancelable, you might have to contact the customer support team instantly in order to go ahead and then rush and cancel your order. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.